Dawn għandek.
Tħat li minnhom.
Le. You take the steak one, he gets very mad, and then you take out their brain.
Li għamilna ġibnijom għal-interview biex minna li jom jaħdmu maħna fuq il-television. Araw ftit ċamilna.
X'ismek inti?
Jade.
Jade Sander, pleased to meet you. X'ismek?
Liam.
Liam, all right. Ġej biex taħdem fuq il-television?
Yes. I have a rocket.
That's the brain of a friend. Tħobb moment il-pakketti? You know, one bisniħu.
Why?
Nkun naf eżatt kemm hemm fil-pakkett, allura ma nkunx irid nieħod li minnhom, għax qed ngħid vera nirrabja hekk joħod ixħad minnhom. Tista' toddom li daqsxejn ġej ta' kemm hu telefonata, issa għajli kemm hemm. Importanti tħodlix minnhom, ta'? Importanti tuħux ta' minnu għax naf eżatt kemm hemm.
No! And you shouldn't take one of those. Le, tiħux minnom. Dak biex ma tiħux. Tiħux minnom, le. You take the steak one, he gets very mad, and then you take out their brain.
Waħda lik, waħda lija. Għad.
Għana għu take any. Le, għallu kem għatlu. Le, saħnejdlu, għanu bża. Le, għax għadda kem jirrabja miħi. But he already knows he had 32. And now you took more, and now he's gonna get angry at you.
See you, bro.
We have made a big mistake.
Okay, ciao.
Big bis kien hemm.
Kemm?
Kien ftit bis. He went here and I told him not to take any, but he took, and now he left. Għantu biex ma jimux minnu, imma xorta.
Jimmetlax biex ma tikollix, biex bleżat.
Mux jena. Imma dawn għandek.
Tħat li minnhom.
Le.
Għandek biċċaw, qed nara.
Dak ma nafx jismu.
Dak.
Sandel, mux inti Sandel, ma nafx liħor.
Tgħidix Daniel.
Ija ħadini.
U le ma jistax ikun Daniel żgur mhux se jagħmel. Daniel friend tiegħi ta'.
Ija naf, ma xorta għallek. Għalli biex niklu.
Issa se nagħmel.
To go and take his brain.
Mela I go and take his brain, nara nisejjer. Thank you. This is a prank. It's not true. I don't take brains. That's a stone, look. Għamilni like prank. Dini prank. Biex naraw tikxfu jew le.
Ovvjament.
Brava.